Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree haul. So everyone has been showing all these wonderful items that they have been purchasing from Dollar Tree. So I went to my local Dollar Tree, not expecting to see anything because it seemed like we're usually last to get things. So when I went in, I was pleasantly surprised that my Dollar Tree was pretty well stocked up on some of the new craft items that everyone has been sharing. So I picked up a few. So let me share with you what I received or what I purchased. So the first thing I purchased was this notebook. This was totally a last minute purchase. I saw it on a shelf. It wasn't any other ones near. And so I went ahead and purchased it. And it's kind of like a traveler's notebook. It's a little banged up on the inside, but I think it'll serve its purpose. Super cute, way nicer than I expected, and it'll serve its purpose. So pick that up. And then I also picked up these clear stamps. I really didn't want the stamps per se for the design. I wanted them so I could try them out and let you guys know how they stamped. So I stamped them on some Nina Solar Rye with some, I think it was the Gina K ink. And they stamp pretty good. They're a little thin, but I used my Misty, so I didn't really have a problem with stamping them. Super cute. Not sure if I'll use these designs, maybe put these in a giveaway, but I just wanted to purchase them to see the quality of the stamps so I could share that with you. Like I say, they're a little thin, but they stamped pretty good. The hello kind of had some issues with the E there, if you can see that. But I think overall, they're a pretty cute little stamp set. Then I purchased some stickers. Man, they had the stickers. So I picked up these 14-piece puffy stickers. They're kind of, I don't know, medieval looking to me, but I thought they were interesting and thought I'd give them a try. And then I also picked up this 35-piece puffy sticker, and totally different than mostly anything that I purchased. So thought I'd give these a try too. And then this 21-piece set, puffy stickers, and you see a couple of them missing. So I do have some card shares to show you some projects I made with some of the Dollar Tree items. Picked this 12-piece pop-up sticker. I went to open these, I opened them rather, and thought about making a card, a Valentine's Day card, and I would say these are pretty thin when you try to peel them off. I mean, they do peel off, but they use some pretty thin paper, so you would need to be aware of that. They're not as thick as I would prefer. And then this 8-piece puffy sticker, and these are really cute. You can put flowers in them. They're pretty sturdy, and I like them a lot. And then the flowers, the 10-piece flowers, 13-piece flowers. These are layered and more of a paper flower, whereas these are metallic and they're more heavy, like a plastic. And then I got this set, super cute, 11-piece metallic, and this is a 10-piece metallic. I'm getting them all in the shot. Picked this one up. I really probably should have left this one because once I got it home, I'm just looking at it, and I may try to make a card out of it. I'm not sure about this one. And then just picked up this gemstone design and the jewels. I like these, especially to put on a really super quick card. These are great for that. And it's funny, now they have this paper craft on some of these stickers, like to make them a little different from the other stickers that they have. So that's those. And then I picked up this one also from Valentine's Day. I didn't make a card with it. I think I'll save it for next year. I'll put it in my Valentine's stash, which I don't have a lot of, so it's 13 pieces, but I was excited because I like this border piece. And once again, this is kind of not normally my style, but I thought these were pretty. And then they had the butterflies. So let's look at the butterflies. So love me some butterflies. So I picked up these, and I really, really like these. I should have picked up 2 packs of these because these are really pretty with the gold. There's 12 count. And this one is 12 count also. Interesting designs. Well, paper that they use. And then this one is 12 piece. Super pretty. Look at that one down there. Look at that. It's really pretty. Very detailed. And then this one. So this is a little bit different. This is a pop-up 7 count. This is a little bit different than the other ones. This is kind of more like what you expect to see at Dollar Tree, but still pretty. But these are a little surprising because they're so pretty. So those are the butterflies. So I was sitting at my desk, and if you watch my video a couple of videos ago or last video, whenever, I showed you these waffle flower sentiments that I cut out. I wanted to show them to you. Well, these were on my desk, and so I kind of challenged myself to use them with the Dollar Tree items or stickers. So this is what I came up with. This is the first one. Super simple. Just used some paper from my stash, ran it through an embossing folder, put some Nouveau drops on it, and then one of the thank yous, and boom. The flower from Dollar Tree I think looks really pretty. And I'll tell you, these are super sticky. So very impressed with the adhesive on these flowers. Super sticky. So that's that one. Another super simple one. This says thinking of you. Once again, I used paper from my stash, and then I cut it out with the die cut border. And then I put some Nouveau drops on it, and then this is 2 flowers, so I just doubled them up. Just stacked one on top of the other. Super simple, and I think these are really pretty. And here's one. I used some paper from my stash, just layered it, and then I put this really pretty butterfly. No sentiment, just one where you can write information, whatever you want. And then I used a little bit of the paper on the inside, which I need to do more often. But I think this one is really gorgeous. Super excited about these butterflies. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then I kind of stepped out of my box and went kind of a, I don't know, grungy look. I don't know. So this is using some Tim Holtz paper. And then this is some trim I have in my stash. And then I used the Dollar Tree little metal or metallic looking shapes. And the happy birthday. I used my deco cutter to cut the paper out, and then use some black ink to edge it up. And then just some silver. Double layered it on silver. So I thought that one turned out cute too. So these are the cards that I made with the Dollar Tree embellishments or stickers or whatever you want to call them. What do you think? Which one do you like the best? I think this one is my favorite. I'm such a simple person when it comes to crafting. I just love this one. I really think this is my favorite. And kind of stepping out of my box on this one too. So let me know what you think below. Thank you for watching. To all my subscribers, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to my channel, think about subscribing. And if you would like, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.